Tax and financial provider, and I'd like to, from ABSIS, I'd like to invite up Benoit Charles to give this award away. Benoit, please come and join us.
And here are the nominees: Advisor Tax, Linklaters, TPA Poland, and White & Case. 4 nominees in this category. And who will be the winner?
Yeah, these categories are going very quick tonight.
Yeah. But I think in a moment we'll be ready to announce the winner.
Great to see you again, sir. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for sponsoring this award and supporting the event.
I'm very happy to welcome on the stage TPA Poland for this award.
Congratulations again.
I feel the night explode.
Thank you very much for this award. I'm happy to be here and to announce also that now we are a member of the Baker Tilly International Network. So please, jury members, next year remember, vote for Baker Tilly. It will be us still. And since these are, I think this is the 10th Gala.
The 10th, it's the 10th Gala, yeah.
Ready, thanks, congratulations,
Yeah.
really correct. I met a lady today, and she's sitting there in the back, and I remember the first closing we did together in 2008, so it was 10 years ago, and she's nominated to the Best Professional of the Year. So she's our client, so thank you, our clients, for the trust. And Henrike, if you will not come here to the stage later on, so this award is dedicated to you. So thank you very much.
Thank you. Congratulations.
And we'll come here for a quick photo. Yeah. Photo, guys. We're ready. Ready for you.